In today's video, we are going to show you how to bookmark a website in Mozilla Firefox so you can easily come back to it anytime. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer, make sure you are connected to the internet, and then type in the website you want to bookmark in the address bar and press enter. For example, I'm going to be typing this website. If you haven't already, you might want to click on the subscribe button so that you'll get notifications to our latest content. Now here, all I have to do if you want to bookmark this specific website, press the star icon right here. And as you can see, you can have it renamed if you want it. For example, let's say this one. Let's say we're going to rename it as this. And then you have more options here on the drop-down menu for the location. You can put it on the bookmarks toolbar, just here, bookmarks menu, other bookmarks, or if you want to choose a specific folder, you can do so by typing in a new folder. Let's do that and click the save button. It's super simple. What will happen is, as you can see, your website has been already added to the bookmark itself. You see that right here? And if you click on it, you can open easily the website that you wanted. And basically, that's how to bookmark a website in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.